Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we're off to the Home Depot. I'm going to take you on the typical store run, show you a few tips and tricks to make your next Home Depot trip prosperous and speedy. Let's go to the store. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. Alright, here's the carts at Home Depot. First, you got the flat cart. This is good for carrying like concrete or tile or vanities and big boxes. Notice these flat carts are so you don't have to lift heavy things very far. This one here, you can also do big boxes and stuff, but people like load these up with plywood and large building material. This stand-up guy right here is good for long lumber and drywall and things like that. Doors, paneling, and flimsy stuff like that. Here we have some treated lumber. You can tell treated lumber because it's got this greenish tint to it, and you can definitely leave these outside. They got 4x4 posts down there. These are landscaping timbers, not to be confused with posts and 2x4s. I'm gonna pick me up this guy here. If you look over here in the corner, they have like damaged boards. So if you only need like a half sheet or more than a half sheet, you can get it for half price. Now I'm gonna park this over here by the water cooler and go finish my shopping. All right, just have to say that I wanted this tall cart. You never find carts in the store, but I found this cart that I needed for my drywall. And then I need a cart to finish my shopping. And like, I found another cart. It's just favor in the Home Depot today. Picked up some paint rollers. I like to get these 3 for 10 bucks because the 6 for 10 bucks are just too cheap. Now I'm looking for some chocolate brown exterior caulk. Pro sealants. Quad is hardcore, but I really don't want it to be that kind of finish. Here's a chocolate cedar tan. This is actually good for like laminate floor mistakes. Got some black stuff up there. Oh wait, what's this? Advanced silicone in chocolate. What's this? Black, brown, cool. We'll use this silicone because we can use it outside. All right, we've got a cracked tile repair, a 12-inch floor tile, ceramic, and it's got to be beige. All right, the big box stores always have some 1 square foot beige tile. Some generic, it's always named something like Santa Fe or something. 54 cents a foot. This is my best bet, and it's really my only beige. The guy said match it. Here's another beige. Wait, then there's this one. Okay. All right, let's put these 3 up next to my pinch zoomed photo. I think I'm gonna go with this guy. A little splotchy, but this one's chipped, so let's get one that's not. All right, and then the guy told me it was charcoal grout. Wow, these guys might have just revolutionized the grout business. Ready to use, never needs sealing, easy to spread. It's about 8 bucks more, but it's the color that the guy said, and it's what I need. So you're better off spending the 8 bucks and getting the right materials. And something to glue it down with. All right, now we need a new work box. Excuse me, old work box. See, this one right here can be nailed to the stud. This is a new work box. Now I'm looking for the old, the old work boxes. This guy just ran into me. Here we got the old work boxes. Old work boxes have these little fins on them. That way you can secure these boxes when there's drywall in place. All right, I got my roller covers, my grout, glue, tile, old work box, and the chocolate caulk. Head into the checkout. It looks like the number 1 is closed, so I will need to go to the number 2. I'm gonna enter my Pro ID. They didn't sell them by the case. Hook me up. It's the cheapest brown one. It's 99. All right, so he couldn't scan my tile. Whenever you can't scan something, you need to walk back and get the 6 digits, the last 6 digits of the SKU. There you are, you Catalina Canyon. See, I just shared with this sweet lady that you should not load these into a cart. It's about a flat cart, so you don't have to lift those up over. And she did, and I'm just loving on her. So that's it. We just rocked that depot trip. Actually, we didn't. It took forever. The guy really didn't know what he was doing. Had to charge me for the whole case of tile. So I went back down to the returns and returned the case of tile. She rang me up, and they gave me 15 bucks cash in my pocket. You just got to know how to work the system a little bit. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today. And if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.